The world of micro-investing apps is a crowded space, and it can be tough to figure out which one is right for you. A lot of people ask, how does Spaceship compare? And it's a great question because while they all let you invest small amounts, they do it in very different ways. Spaceship's main difference is its focus on managed funds. Instead of picking individual stocks, you're choosing from a handful of professionally managed portfolios. Think of it like this: other apps might give you the ingredients and let you bake a cake, but Spaceship has a few pre-made cakes you can choose from, like the Universe portfolio for tech stocks or Earth for ethical companies. This set-and-forget approach is perfect if you want to be hands-off. Now, let's talk about the competition. Apps like Raiz and ComSEC Pocket have different models. Raiz is famous for its roundups, which take the spare change from your purchases and automatically invests it. It's a great way to start building a portfolio without even thinking about it. Raiz also offers more portfolio options than Spaceship, including one with a Bitcoin allocation, and their portfolios are built with ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, which give you exposure to a wide range of assets. ComSEC Pocket, on the other hand, is a bit more like traditional investing but on a micro scale. It offers a curated list of ETFs and a low brokerage fee on small trades. This is a good option if you want to be a little more involved in your investments and have a specific ETF in mind, rather than picking a pre-made portfolio. When it comes to fees, this is where you need to pay close attention. Spaceship is fee-free for balances under a certain amount, but then charges a monthly fee and a management fee. Raiz has a monthly subscription fee, while ComSEC Pocket charges a small brokerage fee per trade. The best value depends entirely on how much you plan to invest and how often. The key takeaway is that each app has a different philosophy. Spaceship is great if you want a simple, curated, hands-off experience. Raiz is ideal for those who love the roundup feature and a wider variety of ETF-based portfolios. And ComSEC Pocket is a solid choice if you want to be more selective about your investments with a low-cost, per-trade model. Your best choice comes down to your personal investing style, how much you plan to put in, and whether you prefer an all-in-one managed fund or a more hands-on approach.